Hi everybody, my name is Adam Okada, Clinical Education Specialist with Healthmark, and I'm here today to talk about the Disposable SST. So you may be familiar with this guy. This is our SST line. We use these for storage and transportation, red with the biohazard label, puncture-resistant sides, things like that. This is our Disposable SST. It's exactly the same concept, but you can actually dispose of this one. The DSST is made of recycled polyethylene and is recyclable, but if it does come into contact with blood or bioburden, you do need to dispose of it according to your facility's hospital policy. The Disposable SST meets ANSI/AAMI ST79 standards to transport clean instruments to the site and to transport dirty instruments to decontamination. The DSST is a two-part system with a removable lid, so you can see it has a biohazard symbol on it, and we also sell a clean label that can go on top for clean transport. One more great feature is the DSST is marked with lift and hold tabs for easy opening as well as closing. You can put instruments directly into the DSST, or you can put anything a half-DIN size tray or smaller inside. It's clear, so you can easily see the contents inside, and it can fit up to a 25-pound weight capacity. There are several advantages to the DSST, including your reprocessing time being 0. You don't need to use reprocessing tools, no staffing is needed. It uses very little storage, and it's actually better for transporting smaller instrumentation. Potential results from utilizing the DSST: you can free up your resources to concentrate on other things. That can result in economic savings for your facility. And because it's recyclable and it's made of recycled polyethylene, it can actually help your hospital meet its sustainability goals. So you might be thinking, what are some real-world applications for the DSST? One of them would be off-site reprocessing. If you're transporting these things off-site, DSST is a great option. Also, if you don't have enough transport trays in your inventory, the disposable is a great way to go. And then if you don't have enough reprocessing options, let's say you don't have a cart washer and you don't want to take up washer space doing transport trays, again, the DSST is great for that. Another example would be surgical sites that don't have after-hours SPDs. They may need to transport off-site to have these things reprocessed immediately. It may not happen very often, so instead of purchasing an SST, the disposable SST would be a good thing to have on hand just in case. So again, the DSST could be a great option to supplement your existing transport tray inventory. Please note this video is only a demonstration. You should always follow your facility policy for transporting soiled instrumentation and wearing the proper PPE. As always, you can contact Healthmark to learn more about this and other transportation tray products. And thank you for watching.